One of these Linux distributions is secretly the productivity king. In this video, we are putting Linux Mint and Pop! OS head to head to find out which one truly deserves the crown for productivity. From installation to real world performance, customization to daily workflow, we are testing it all. Let's get started. Let's first start with the introduction. Choosing the right Linux for productivity. When it comes to Linux distributions, known for their simplicity and ease of use, Linux Mint and Pop! OS are often top of the list. Both are beginner friendly, stable, and comes with sensible defaults. But which one excels when it comes to getting work done efficiently? Whether you are a developer, a student, or someone switching from Windows or macOS, choosing the right distro can shape your entire productivity experience. Now, installation and first impressions. Starting with the installations, both Linux Mint and Pop! OS offer clean graphical installers that are intuitive even for first-time users. Linux Mint uses the Ubiquiti installer, while Pop! OS offers custom installer developed by System76, which feels modern and streamlined. Upon first boot, Linux Mint welcomes you with the classic Cinnamon desktop, offering a familiar layout for former Windows users. Pop! OS, on the other hand, uses a customized GNOME desktop with tiling window support, immediately signaling its focus on multitasking. Out of the box, Mint comes with productivity essentials like LibreOffice, Firefox, and some multimedia tools. Pop! OS also ships with the LibreOffice, Firefox, and a few helpful utilities. But it places more emphasis on performance and minimalism, leaving the rest for you to install. Now, productivity applications. A head-to-head comparison. When it comes to productivity tools, both distros support the full spectrum of Linux software, from Office suites and web browsers to IDEs like VS Code or JetBrains products. Linux Mint gives you a well-integrated experience with its X apps, which are lightweight and efficient for everyday use.